everyone. I hope you all are fine and fit. I am Ms. Harpreet Kaur. Welcome you all to RKP online classes. In this video, I am going to discuss about 5th generation of computers. We are using these computers at present, and beyond. That means we will be continuous using these 5th generation computers. So the first point is the VLSI technology became ULSI microprocessor. As I told you that in 4th generation of computer we have used LSI and VLSI technology. But in 5th generation of computer that VLSI technology became ULSI technology microprocessor. Here ULSI stands for ultra large scaling integration. ULSI stands for ultra large scaling integration, which means it can hold more than 1 million of transistors on a single chip. Means more than 1 million transistors on a single chip. That will reduce the size of the computer. That's why our computers become much compact as compared to the earlier generations. ULSI microprocessor, as I told you that microprocessor is a small silicon chip which is required for running of the computer, and that is capable of doing the ALU calculations or the arithmetic logical operations. So in 5th generation of computers, the VLSI, very large scaling integration, become ULSI, ultra large scaling integration microprocessor, in which more than 1 million transistors were placed on a single chip, which reduces the size of the computer. Now they are this much compact in size and easily portable. Portable means the devices that we can carry from one place to another place, even in our pocket. So because of this ULSI microprocessor, these computers became compact in size, means very smaller in size. Cheaper also, general purpose computing machine. They become general purpose, means easily we can buy it, very much cheaper as compared to the other generation of computers, and too powerful. They can perform the calculations very speedily, even in millisecond, you can say 0.01 seconds. If we talk about the language, we use HLM in these generations of computers. High level language, as I told you that this language is much closer to the human language, means user friendly language. So this language is used in these computers. Now these computers are still in developmental stage and they will be based on artificial intelligence. Still now scientists are working on the computers. That's why still they are in developmental stage. These computers are in development stage, means many development are taking place in these computers in order to become it, that means more convenient, advanced, or to make it better. And they will be based on artificial intelligence. Here artificial intelligence means machine intelligence. A technology, artificial intelligence is a technology that enables a machine to think and take the decisions like human being. Through artificial intelligence, a machine or a computer can even think and take the decisions like a human being, like you and me can take. So this means still computers are in development stage and scientists are working on it to make it like a artificial intelligence, to make a machine intelligent, so that the machine can think and take a decision like a human being. Example of 5th generation computer are laptop. Laptop means that laptop computers are those computers that can be placed on our lap. Palm top, that we can place on our palm. Notebook, these are the portable computers, means very thin computers you can say, and its size is less than a briefcase size. Desktop computer, that can be placed on a desk, on the top of a desk. Here, so these are some example of 5th generation of computers.